Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming hardware and opening the display controls. Plug in or wake any external monitor and check its power. If buttons exist, test them briefly. Once done, open Settings, go to System then Display, or click the Action Center quick tile. This gets you right where brightness controls live. You need to identify whether you're adjusting the built-in laptop panel or an external screen, because each can use different controls and drivers, so pick the correct display before changing values. Now you'll change the actual brightness and fine-tune color to reduce eye strain. Drag the brightness slider in Settings or Action Center for immediate results. That adjusts the display's backlight on most laptops. If you're on an external monitor, use the monitor's OSD buttons or the manufacturer's app. Those controls override some software sliders. Once changed, make sure to enable night light or pick a warmer color profile if you want less blue light in the evening. That's why brightness alone isn't always enough. Finish by saving settings and testing how the screen looks in real scenarios. Apply the brightness, then switch power plans to lock preferred limits and check in bright and dim rooms. If the slider is missing or adjustments do nothing, update or reinstall the display driver. This often restores control. If problems persist, disconnect and reconnect the display cable, restart the computer, then open the monitor's own menu. Doing that usually reveals manufacturer controls or firmware options that resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.